Well, we are dealing with the topic of entrepreneurship and innovation. And doing so, we try to combine theory and application. So we do not stop with just theory. We want our students to apply. So really experiencing the situation of innovation, the challenge, the curiosity, the creativity. This is something we find very important, that this is not something after studies, but during studies. And we also try to make our students active problem solvers. So they are equipped with methods and tools that allow them to identify and exploit opportunities.
What's special for E&I program is basically this great combination of business mindset and technical mindset, because we had the opportunity to work with the great professors from around the world who are experts in entrepreneurship and innovation, who are doing this on a daily basis. This is their bread and butter, and basically it's as well a great community.
What we have in our teaching is two types of courses. So on the first hand, we have our theory courses. There the topic is, well, what method exists, what tools are helpful in entrepreneurship and innovation situations. And the second type of courses brings students in contact with real-world challenges, with practical problems from our partners ranging from startups to multinational companies that have actually real-world innovation-related problems. So our students then train and practice the knowledge of their tools in a real-world problem situation.
The students had from the beginning lots of good ideas and were very flexible to think over our idea, our business plan, our business cases, our startups. They were very flexible to think over the market and the potential clients. So from my point of view, it was a very good combination of theory competence with reality connection.
The typical starting point for our applied projects is that we have a partner who has a real innovation-related problem. And innovation-related is broad, so it can be a strategy question, it can be a leadership question, it can be a business plan that needs to be written. Or we have a technology and are looking for fields where we can apply this, where it can really be useful, so a new market. Or we're looking for new ideas. So a very broad range of problems. And these problems are assigned to student teams. And the teams consist of typically 4 to 6 students who work during the whole semester on this problem. So they apply the tools, they do interviews with experts, they do benchmark studies, they read cases, they do surveys, do all kinds of things in order to provide a highly professional solution or recommendation how to deal with that problem. And the students are not left alone, of course. We are coaching them, helping them. So the institute is doing this. And we also have a network of professionals who also help, be it consultants, venture capitalists, lawyers. So whatever the type of the problem is, there is input from that side too. And one should also mention that our students are highly professional. So we have a strong demand of students. So our application numbers are way higher than we can admit to our courses, and we select by quality, motivation, leadership and entrepreneurship potential. So this means that our students are high above average. They're really outstanding from the motivation, from their willingness to perform, and from their capabilities. So these factors ensure that the stakeholders, our business partners, really get super helpful information and input from the student team's output.
I'm very satisfied, I have to say, and I think it's a really win-win situation, because for us, which is very helpful, is the structured and also scientific approach of your institute. And we can use the results and really in our daily business. And I think also for the students, I'm also an alumni of your university, and also for the alumni, it's quite helpful, I think, to get the insight in our company and also our industry, because this combines technical and business challenges.
For us, it worked very well. It was really good that we were able to do the first pitch with the students personally. I think it's always important to sort of get to know someone face to face, because this makes a difference. Also, the energy is different, but we know what time we're in and we know that there's a pandemic. So they were able to present everything and it's worked out really well for us. I would. I think today you need to think more digital. I think everything is absolutely possible digitally as well. It's just a matter of stepping a little bit in the outside of your comfort zone, getting used to it. It's a different dynamic of interaction, but it works. I mean, you can see the faces, you can hear their voices, you can work on documents together, you can see the presentation. So I would do it for sure.
How can I apply as a company, as an entrepreneur to your institute to work with your team?
Well, there are many ways. The most easiest way is to just write a mail. On our website we have the contact information, how to apply for a project. We will get in touch with interested companies as soon as possible, and try to find out and try to shape the type of the project as quickly as possible. So a wonderful opportunity is also to just observe what is happening at the E&I Touchdown, just to get a glimpse of the possibilities by seeing all these wonderful pitches. Well, the E&I Touchdown is the event where our students show the outcome of these applied courses. So usually we have 20 to something like 40 real-world projects that are done with student teams. And our students then showcase the outcome of these challenges, of these real-world problem-solving exercises. And it's always amazing to see how fast, how professional, and how entrepreneurial our students are working.